Meanwhile, tension is mounting in South Korea as the Constitutional Court set the date to announce its decision on the impeachment of President Yoon Suk-yeol. Demonstrations will face a huge police presence around the court beginning on Wednesday amid the threat of violence, with the judgment to be delivered on Friday. Press TV correspondent Frank Smith reports from the South Korean capital, Seoul.
The Constitutional Court of South Korea said it will rule Friday on suspended President Yoon Suk-yeol's impeachment. Yoon supporters rallied near the court, confident Yoon would soon be back in office.
Now, on April 4th, President Yoon Suk-yeol will definitely return, and the unconstitutional Democratic Party of Korea must be disbanded, and those insurgents put in front of the Constitutional Court.
Yoon has been charged with violating the Constitution over his short-lived declaration of martial law last December. Prosecutors have argued Yoon's martial law decree was not justified, as there was no national emergency or warlike situation. The Constitutional Court has taken longer to decide on a presidential impeachment than ever before, generating even more uncertainty and tension. Officials say Friday more than 14,000 riot police will be deployed here around the court, sealing off streets and subway exits nearby. Anti-Yoon demonstrations are also taking place near the court as the verdict approaches. Recent polls suggest 60% of the South Korean public want President Yoon removed.
The way the Constitutional Court has acted during the hearings for Yoon Suk-yeol, they have been very detailed and sharp in their questions, so I trust that the vote will be 8-0.
Yoon also faces a criminal trial over leading an insurrection for sending the army to arrest opposing lawmakers, a charge which, if found guilty, could carry a lengthy prison sentence or even the death penalty.
Looking back on the December 3rd martial law was not passed by the cabinet meeting, nor was it notified to the National Assembly. It was a violation of the Constitution and Martial Law Act. I believe the requirements for dismissal have been met.
If reinstated, President Yoon will resume duties immediately. If the impeachment is upheld, Yoon is permanently removed, and a presidential election should take place within 2 months. Frank Smith, Press TV, Seoul.
And that's it for this hour's bulletin. Thank you for being with us. Take care and bye-bye.